Hey guys, this is DRN, and I'm going to show you how to make a bong today, a waterfall bong. All you need is one of these things. I suggest a 1/4 inch, or quarter, whatever they're called, bottle cap, bottle, and instead of using scissors, I am going to use some drill type tools, like this one. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure it's good. Okay. So first of all, I already did this part. Make a perfect hole in here, so like that I could take it in and out, but it's gonna sit nice and comfortably. Okay. Second of all, take off all the wrapping of the paper if you want. I suggest you do. Third, plug in your tool. Should done this first. I gotta use a small one first to make a hole. I am going to use this piece because it can really make a hole. Okay, so now that it works, I'm going to make a hole. You know what, I should put the cap first. Now watch. The lower the hole, the less water will be stuck inside after. The less water, the more smoke. So I suggest you put a hole nice and low. I suggest on the little line down here. That's a good hole. It doesn't have to be that big. And it's taking me fucking ever. And now I'm going to go upstairs and show you how to use it. Now I'm back. Since I don't have any weed or tobacco or anything because I don't have any money, I'm going to use some paper. Okay, here's our bottle. There's the little hole. Okay. First, I'm gonna rip up some paper. If this were weed, you'd grind it up, right? So it's just small. There you go. Something a bit bigger. Okay, then you simply put it in here. Okay. Oops. Okay, so now you hold the little hole, you fill it up with water. And also, like everything else that you use to smoke, you're of course going to need a lighter. Okay, so put this on top. Light your lighter, light the piece of paper, the weed, and then let all the water out. You can see it's filling up with smoke while letting out the waters because it's causing a vacuum. This hole is kind of small, so it's doing a small vacuum. Fills up more smoke, but takes forever. Seriously, it's taking for fucking it. also try to keep your lighter lit, so like that it burns more. I suggest making a bigger hole, although if you want a lot of smoke, this is a good idea, but this is like too much. Paper is just ash right now, burning nothing. And there we go. Okay, screw it. See, now it's completely filled with smoke. And since this is paper, I'm obviously not going to smoke it up, because that kills like a bitch. Hold on. So I'm going to show you how to smoke it, but I'm not actually going to inhale, okay? You take off the top. Of course I'm doing this at my door because I don't want a whole bunch of smoke in my house. And you let go of the little hole and you breathe in. I'm emptying it now, so. And so yeah, that's how it's done. I'm going to be making a lot more videos of how to make bongs, how to grind your weed properly, and just a whole bunch of things. And if you really want to know what DRN stands for, I suggest you subscribe, because it'll be in one of my future videos. Okay, well, get high, stay safe, and yeah, peace out. Been a DRN production. What you looking at?